Lyrics. The Legend of Kaibohera.
It began one fateful day when the enchanting sounds of music and jubilation drifted across the sea from the nearby island of Kaibohera. Compelled by curiosity, a group from Hithatu ventured forth to discover its source. Those who went never returned. Yet, from the shores of Hithatu, they could still be seen, dancing and making merry as if in a trance. Group after group departed, each determined to uncover the fate of the ones before, only to share in their mysterious vanishing. Until only 6 remained, a final remnant of Hithatu's once thriving population, they decided against the call of Kaibohera, a choice that would save their lives. Uthovana, a lone fisherman from the nearby lagoon, witnessed the exodus. With a heart heavy with sorrow, he unraveled the grim reality. Those who journeyed to Kaibohera met their doom, ensnared by a malevolent force. Carrying the burden of this dark secret, Uthovana sought the people of Hulhudumitu. Together they unveiled the grim spectacle at Kaibohera, a land now silent, its joyous facade a mask for the tragedy beneath. The legend speaks of Dioanch Kumi, the sea beast's play. A creature of myth, the Deo, had lured the villagers to their end, feasting upon their souls. The skulls of those ensnared lay as a testament to its hunger, a grim reminder of the night when joy turned to sorrow. And so the tale of Kaibohera lives on, a whisper on the wind, a caution to those who hear the sea's call. For beneath its beauty lies a mystery as ancient as the waves, a reminder of the delicate balance between man and myth.
The